how can parents educate themselves exactly what is the difference between processed and unprocessed foods?
I make it really, really simple, especially with kids. I tell them, listen, if it came from nature, then you can eat it. So, meaning, did it come from the earth or did it come from an animal? Then you can have it. If it had to go to a factory before you ate it, then consider it more of a fake food. And so you can have some, the volume of the language and the tone that we use around those types of food, they're not alarmist, they're dispassionate. You can use it for your joy sometimes when you need it. But really, our bodies thrive on the foods that come from nature. And to give our kids the confidence and ownership to make it that simple. If it's factory produced, it's a fake food. If it came from the earth or from an animal, then it's a whole food and it belongs in my body. My body evolved or was created to eat those things.